If you are thinking about buying a new camera drone right now, drop everything and put your wallet away. Serious supply chain leaks out of Asia have just completely blown the lid off DJI's top-secret release schedule, revealing a pocket-sized masterpiece that is set to systematically rewrite the rules of aerial cinematography. This is the highly anticipated DJI Mini 6 Pro, and the hardware upgrades making their way into the sub-250-gram chassis are frankly unbelievable. For years, creators have accepted a massive compromise. If you wanted a portable, lightweight drone that could legally bypass strict aviation laws, you had to settle for a small camera sensor, terrible low-light performance, and limited flight times. But DJI is officially drawing a line in the sand. The upcoming Mini 6 Pro is engineered to pack high-end, Hollywood-level cinema technology into a footprint that fits right in your palm, effectively turning a travel gadget into a heavy-lift commercial cinema rig. Today we are breaking down the absolute biggest, authenticated hardware leaks, internal component blueprints, and regulatory filings that prove why this drone is the ultimate industry disruptor. We will uncover how DJI is utilizing massive legal design choices to benefit pilots in the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, and Australia, while rendering existing mid-tier drones completely obsolete. To understand why this launch is sending shockwaves through the tech community, we have to look at the primary reason the Mini series exists: weight regulation. In the United States, the Federal Aviation Administration enforces strict guidelines for any unmanned aircraft system weighing 250 grams or more. Crossing that boundary means mandatory registration, compliance with complex remote identification laws, and heavy restrictions when flying over people or moving vehicles. By engineering the Mini 6 Pro to tip the scales at exactly 249 grams, DJI is providing professional pilots and recreational hobbyists alike with the ultimate operational loophole. You get a hassle-free, unrestricted flight experience right out of the box, but this time, you do not lose out on commercial capabilities. The crown jewel of these leaked specifications is a completely redesigned, groundbreaking camera module. According to leaked supply chain manifests, DJI is discarding the traditional small sensors of past portable platforms and dropping in a massive, custom-built 1-inch stacked CMOS image sensor. This is a monumental engineering milestone for a drone this small. A stacked architecture separates the pixel section from the high-speed signal processing circuitry, which drastically accelerates readout speeds and virtually eliminates rolling shutter distortion. If you are tracking fast-moving subjects like sports cars, low-flying aircraft, or athletes, your vertical lines will remain perfectly straight without any of the jelly-like warping that plagues older lightweight cameras. But the real magic happens in the processing engine, where the Mini 6 Pro is unlocked to shoot spectacular, true 6K cinematic video at up to 60 frames per second. For professional editors and content creators targeting platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels, this massive resolution bump is a total game-changer. It gives you an incredible amount of canvas to work with, allowing you to crop a horizontal 6K frame into a vertical 9:16 video with zero loss in clarity, maintaining native 4K sharpness for social media distribution. If slow motion is your priority, the system delivers buttery smooth 4K recording at a blistering 120 frames per second, allowing you to capture waves crashing or fast action with breathtaking, granular precision. The innovations do not stop at resolution. For the first time in the history of sub-250-gram drones, DJI is introducing a true mechanical variable aperture system ranging from a wide-open f1.7 all the way down to f11. Anyone who has flown a lightweight drone knows the absolute nightmare of changing light conditions. Currently, if you are shooting a cinematic video and the sun suddenly breaks through the clouds, you are forced to land the drone, manually swap out physical neutral density filters on the lens, and take off again, ruining your creative workflow. With a motorized, dynamic iris controlled directly from your remote control, you can adapt to harsh midday sun or deep shade instantly while in mid-air, preserving your shutter speed at the perfect double frame rate rule for motion blur. When the sun goes down, that wide f1.7 aperture pairs with native 10-bit D-Log-M color profiles and a newly developed high ISO dual native architecture to pull astonishing detail out of the shadows. The low-light performance leaked in early engineering reports suggests this pocket drone will easily rival heavy, expensive professional camera rigs, capturing clean nightscapes with minimal noise. To protect this high-end camera technology, DJI is deploying a military-grade safety feature called Nightscape LiDAR. Traditional obstacle avoidance systems rely on visual stereoscopic cameras, which work beautifully during a bright, sunny afternoon but become completely blind in low-light environments or pitch-black darkness. This creates a massive hazard for creators trying to shoot cinematic city horizons at night or golden hour forests. The Mini 6 Pro completely eradicates this issue by integrating miniaturized light detection and ranging laser sensors into its omnidirectional safety matrix. By emitting thousands of invisible laser pulses per second, the drone maps its three-dimensional surroundings with centimeter-level accuracy regardless of ambient lighting. It can see thin power lines, tree branches, and structural obstructions in total darkness, giving you the confidence to execute complex automated tracking paths at midnight without the fear of a catastrophic collision. Powering all this cutting-edge technology requires a massive leap forward in battery chemistry, and the leaked schematics reveal that DJI is shifting away from older lithium-ion packs in favor of a next-generation silicon anode solid-state battery design. Silicon anodes possess a significantly higher energy density than traditional graphite components, allowing DJI to cram an unprecedented amount of capacity into a module that complies with the strict 249-gram limit. The leak indicates these revolutionary power cells will provide a jaw-dropping 60 minutes of continuous flight time on a single charge. Imagine staying in the air for a full hour without having to constantly monitor a dying battery icon, allowing you to patiently scout locations, wait for the perfect lighting, or execute long, complex hyperlapse sequences that were previously impossible on a lightweight platform. To complement this incredible endurance, the drone features the brand new DJI O5 transmission system. Operating on an updated multi-band frequency protocol that introduces advanced cellular bonding options, the O5 system streams a crystal-clear, ultra-low latency 1080p live feed at 60 frames per second across a theoretical range of 25 kilometers. More importantly for users in dense markets like New York, London, Toronto, or Sydney, this upgraded signal penetrates heavy radio frequency interference with ease, ensuring your controller connection remains rock-solid even when flying behind thick concrete buildings or massive steel structures. According to retail database leaks, the official global unveiling is scheduled for the upcoming product cycle, with a base price expected to sit between $800 and $850, while the premium combo featuring the integrated screen smart remote controller will hover around $1,299. Given the sheer scale of these upgrades, the Mini 6 Pro is positioning itself as an essential tool that makes larger, bulkier drones practically obsolete for daily production. If this deep dive saved you from spending money on outdated gear, make sure to show your support. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you never miss the fastest, most authentic tech updates on the internet. Drop a comment down below and let us know if a 1-inch stack sensor and a 60-minute battery are enough to make you upgrade your current setup. We want to hear your thoughts. Stay sharp, fly safe, and we will see you in the very next video.